welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I just got off work, I went to the gym, and I want to make something super fast and super light. So I had taken ground beef out yesterday and decided today I'm going to make a southwestern quesadilla minus the beans. I'm all for the beans. I love beans. However, I don't want anything that's going to get me bloated. It's a little late at night and I just don't want to feel bloated. So I'm omitting the beans, but feel free to add them. So if you want to learn how I make my ground beef southwestern quesadilla, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we will need 1.5 tablespoons of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and I bought mine with jalapeno for added spice, 1 can of corn. We're going to need 1/4 of an onion, 1 carrot, and I just sliced it up, or peeled it I should say. A few serranos, so these are to taste. These are for my plant, and I'm also adding a habanero for extra spice, and 4 garlic cloves. This is 1/4 of a bell pepper, some mozzarella cheese, flour tortillas, and 1 pound of ground beef. And these flour tortillas I got from Costco and they're delicious. First thing we're going to do is set the oven to 400 degrees. I've heated up my pan and I've added a drizzle of olive oil. I'm now going to put my ground beef on my pan and cook it for about 5 minutes until it's brown. Now you want to break it apart so you can add your seasonings evenly. I'm going to add my paprika, and I'm just eyeballing it, but like I said, about a teaspoon. My cayenne pepper. My onion powder, my ground cumin, which I just went and got a new one, and I have not opened it yet. Let's just add our seasoned salt. Our Worcestershire sauce, our garlic powder, and let's try again with our cumin. Being very stubborn. And I like to get my ground cumin at Trader Joe's. They seem to have the best deal. So about a teaspoon of cumin. Now we stir it all up. And once it is a little bit more brown, we're going to add our carrots, our garlic, our chilies, and our onion.
All
right, now the first thing we want to add is our garlic and our chilies. And that means our oven is preheated already. And our onion. We want to cook this first so that the oils get the flavor of the chilies, the onion, the garlic. And you don't want to overcook the bell pepper or the carrots because you're going to be putting them in the oven. So I still have a little bit of pink in here, which is good. Once it's fully brown, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. And that shouldn't be longer than about 2 minutes. Now that our beef is brown, we're going to add our carrots. And our bell pepper. Mix it in there. Now I made the carrots peeled this way because they're a little bit thinner and easier to cook with, and you're gonna want them in your quesadilla. So you don't want big chunks in your quesadilla. You just want, you know, something. You don't want a big chunk. You just want carrots. Now we're going to add our tomato sauce and our corn. Now you want to make sure to drain the corn, which I did not. Once your corn is drained, pour that in. Now we're just going to mix it all together. It smells really, really good. The cumin, the paprika, the Worcestershire, the garlic, everything just smells so good. And you can do many, many meals with this. You can make burritos for lunch. You can make it in a bowl with some rice. You can put it on a tostada, which I will also do later. And I'm going to have more than enough since I'm only eating for one today. So I will be making tostadas tomorrow with whatever is left over. And I will probably be adding some beans to those, since I won't have to spend any time cooking. You can make this in bigger quantities so it can last you a few days and a few meals. You can meal prep with this as it is healthy. This is a 90% lean ground beef. All right, now we're gonna let it cook there for a few more minutes. I'm going to say about 5 more minutes, and then we're going to build our quesadilla. This is looking ready to go. I just gave it a taste and oh my gosh, it is so flavorful, tasty. It just has a mixture of herbs and spices. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. It's delicious, you guys. Now we're ready to make our quesadilla. And this is what it looks like. It's so good. I went ahead and cut one up, put a little bit of sour cream on the side. Feel free to add some salsa, and they're ready to be eaten. And there you have it, this delicious Southwestern quesadilla. Simple, healthy, and delicious. I hope you guys give it a try, and I'll see you in my next video.